Hello, my name is Colleen Matula, and I work for the Wisconsin DNR Division of Forestry out of Ashland. I'm here to present a project that's been going on for a couple of years called Building Resiliency in Lowland Ash Forest Ecosystems. Lowland ash ecosystems are complex and they vary across the state. Their placement in the landscape can be isolated depressional wetlands to drainways along streams. About 10% of Wisconsin forests are typed as lowland hardwood. They have incredible value to a wide variety of plants and animals and an important cultural resource to local Native American tribes. Emerald ash borer is a non-native invasive bug that kills all ash trees and is devastating our lowland ash ecosystems across the Northeast states and Wisconsin. Here we have an emerald ash borer infected ash tree in Iron County, but we also know that EAB is found in Ashland, Bayfield, Douglas, and Iron County. We know that black ash trees, 10 inches in diameter at these lowland sites, they transpire about 60 gallons of water each tree each day in a typical growing season. So think about the impacts that emerald ash borer could have on, these systems. Here's Ozaukee County in 2016 documented emerald ash borer mortality in these lowland systems. So think about the landscape scale devastation in this area. So one management alternative to address ecological impacts is to underplant trees at sites. So here is a 5-year project that was funded by the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative, and it was implemented on DNR, county, and private lands to restore and maintain these forested ecosystems by underplanting. So how did we do this? The first part of the project was to collect baseline data about these areas. And so there's 10 areas located on this map in those white dots. So here we took a lot of the baseline data, and then we also obtained about 8 different tree species native to our area from our Boscobel tree nursery. We planted 30,000 trees on all of these sites. And here's the list of the native tree species, and also we direct seeded with tree seeds at these sites as well in the winter of 2019-20. So, and we've been learning a lot about these plantings already. For instance, swamp white oak, white pine, and red maple are doing really well on these lowland sites. While at the direct seeding level, where we seeded tree seedlings, we need a lot of that mossy, downwoody debris on the ground for seeds to germinate. So those are some important things that we've been learning about this project. So with this, we are learning about understanding the impacts from emerald ash borer, maintaining and restoring these forested conditions, and restoring the hydrology, and preparing these sites to be more resilient. These sites will be used as demonstration sites for landowners and forest practitioners. This is also a sister project to one that's going to be started in Lake Michigan Basin near Green Bay. That's also funded by the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative. So in summary, with this project, we are observing what tree species are successful and why, and just understanding a little bit more about these systems. And with that, I thank you for joining me on this presentation, and have a good day.